Hello and welcome again. In our previous lecture, we know the theoretical idea about the ship-to-ship call flow through the proxy server. In today's section, we'll analyze a basic ship-to-ship call flow trace through the proxy server. Here, 192.168.29.23 is the calling party IP address who generate the invite request. And 192.168.29.54 is the called party address who received this invite request. And 192.168.29.251 is the proxy server IP address. Now 192.168.29.23 send invite request to the proxy server 192.168.29.251. Proxy server, after receiving this invite request, it sent 100 trying to the calling party, which is 192.168.29.23. Now proxy server 192.168.29.251 forward this invite request to the called party, which is 192.168.29.54. Now the called party 192.168.29.54 send 100 trying response to the proxy server, which is 192.168.29.251. Then called party 192.168.29.54 send 180 ringing to 192.168.29.251, which is proxy server. Then proxy server 192.168.29.251 forward this 180 ringing response to the calling party, which is 192.168.29.23. When the called party 192.168.29.54 received the call, it sent 200 OK to the proxy server 192.168.29.251. Then proxy server 192.168.29.251 send this 200 OK to the calling party, which is 192.168.29.23. Up to here, both the phone know each other's IP address. So now in next 192.168.29.23 calling party directly send acknowledgement to the called party, which is 192.168.29.54. Because the calling party know what is the IP address of the called party, so it directly send this acknowledgement. Then the RTPs flow between these two phones. So here we skip the RTP part because we are analyzing only the SIP call flow trace. Now after their RTP flow, means after their conversation is over, here 192.168.29.23, which is calling party, sent by to 192.168.29.54, means to the called party directly. Because they know each other's IP address now. So everything is communicating directly now. So it directly sent by to this to the called party. Now the called party 192.168.29.54 send 200 OK directly to the 192.168.29.23, which is calling party IP address. So this is about the basic ship-to-ship call flow through the proxy server. I hope you got an idea about how to analyze the call flow trace. So that's it in this video. We'll see you in the next section. Thanks for watching the video.